cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We'd love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us and watch our YouTubes.
Well, today is the day. We're booking our cruises this October. This is the start. Here we go. The Island Princess cruise is from December 4th to December 22nd.
Right, and that one, of course, leaves from the word that's so hard for me to say, Civitavecchia, Italy.
Still not.
Close enough.
Then it goes to Sardinia.
Then it goes to Malaga, Spain.
And then to Tangier, Morocco. That's exciting because that's in Africa.
And we've been to Morocco before, so we're really looking forward to our return trip. Then we end up going to...
Oh, we're going to a different place. It's Funchal, Portugal.
Yes, which is the same as Madeira, but just slightly different, I guess.
It is the same port, but some itineraries call it Funchal and some call it Madeira. That is the only duplicate other than where we start and end.
That's correct, yeah. So then we're going to Tenerife in Spain, which is in the Canary Islands.
And then a couple of days at sea, and we're hitting another newbie, and it's Mindelo in the Cape Verde Islands. I think that's just off of Africa too.
It is. It's just off the coast of Africa, and in the research we did on it, it looks like it's going to be a very cool stop. So then we get to our best part of all these cruises.
A sea day.
A sea day.
And another sea day.
And another sea day.
And a whole bunch more sea days, and we end up in Fort Lauderdale, and then we go home.
And then that's it for the trip.
If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. Maybe join us on the trips. So our next videos are going to concentrate a little bit more on what the excursions are at each of the different ports on all 3 of our cruises.
Right.
So I look forward to telling you about all those excursions.
So if you see a blurb over my head here, maybe over Susan's head there, click on that video and you can lead yourself down the merry path to all the adventure that we're going to have over the next 70 plus days on this trip.
Or we might go down a different path and do completely different kinds of videos. We'll let you know.
But it'll definitely be travel and cruise related, because that's the main goal of our retirement. Is we retired early so that we could do a lot of travel before
oh, you're thinking maybe we should do an origin story. Or maybe why we're doing this trip.
That's right.
We've got some ideas.
You'll see a blurb here, there. We don't know where we're going to put them or where YouTube is going to put them.
We're just starting out.
So, see you on the next one.
Bye.
Cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We'd love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us and watch our YouTubes. It's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes.